Good morning folks, welcome back to the channel. You find me a little bleary-eyed here this morning. We're in Ibiza, we're in Es Canar, and I'm trying to capture a sunrise. I'm trying to spoil the party, however. There is some low cloud on the horizon, but we'll see what kind of images we can find this morning. There's a jetty I'm going to use as the main focus of my composition, looking out towards one of the islands, and we're going to see how that turns out. We're getting the camera set up on the tripod very shortly. I'm currently using the Panasonic FZ1000, and for a tripod I'm using the K&F Concepts tripod they kindly sent me. It's the lightest travel tripod I've got that has a ball head, so yeah, looking forward to using that, and we'll see how those shots come out. If you're interested in this tripod, I'll put a link up to the video and you can check that out. So yeah, let's crack on and see if we can get some shots done. So guys, as you can see, I've moved the composition slightly. I was going directly down the pier. I've pulled to the left hand side of the pier to try and capture the best of the sunrise, which seems to be over the island behind me. And we've also got a boat there. I'm not sure what that's going to do. That might cause a little bit of chaos because it's possibly going to move in the with the tide. But we'll see how these shots come out. If they're any good, I'll put them on screen now. So folks, I think we can chalk that one down to another sunrise fail. This cloud on the horizon just didn't budge at all. We'll see how the shots come out, but I'm not confident that we've got any really good ones. We've got some nice pinks in the sky now, high up. They're nowhere near where I wanted to do the compositions from, but that's how it goes, I guess. It doesn't matter where you come in the world. If there's cloud in the sky, it doesn't matter how good the compositions possibly are going to be. If the light's not there, the light's not there. So thanks for tuning in for this one. I apologise that the photography wasn't quite as good as it could have been, but that's life, I guess, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.